Hey everyone, it's Baldwin with an explanation of your next assignment. So you are going to work through a natural disasters web quest. So in a little bit, I'm going to share this document to Google Classroom, and you can go ahead and make a copy of it and then type your answers directly into this document. First, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click this link, and it's going to take you to a National Geographic website. You do not need to sign in. It's not necessary. You do not have to make an account. You can do all of this without doing your Clever or Google email. But what you do need to do is click this button that says Get Adobe Flash Player and go ahead and click Allow. That's something that your Chromebook should be able to handle, no problem. And then you're going to work through the 4 natural disasters. So up here, it says tornadoes. You're going to go ahead and read all the information it has, and then click through the different slides that show you information on tornadoes. You're going to fill in these questions as you move, and then you're going to get to a spot that says create a tornado. So when you get there, you're going to have to play with all of these variables, and they're going to have to be just right in order to make a tornado. So when you do that, you're going to explain the tornado that you created. It's unique to every single person that does it, so I'll know if you actually did it or not. The last thing is this box highlighted in red. It says click on case studies and briefly describe one disaster, include the title, location, date, number of death and injured, summarize the event, and describe your emotions and reactions to seeing the pictures of that specific disaster. So when you're on tornadoes, you're going to go all the way to the right and click this button that says case studies. And then it gives you 6 different case studies. So this is all real dated information. So pick one of them. I do not care which one. Read the information on it, and then scroll through the pictures and answer all of those questions that I had right here. So essentially what I want you to do is to describe that case study, but what I'm really interested in is what kind of emotions that those pictures evoke in you. So does it make you feel anxious? Does it make you feel scared? Does it make you feel sad? Let me know what you think. Once you've done that, you can move on to the next disaster, which is volcanoes. So back to this page, you're going to click volcanoes. And then same thing, you're going to read through all the information, go through all of these slides. You're going to fill in all this information. And then again, at the bottom, you're going to go to case studies. Select one. Don't care which one. Read through it, look at some of the pictures, and then type in your answer right here. The next one you've got is hurricanes. Same thing. Read through the information, click through the slides. At the very end, go to case studies, pick one of these, read through it, let me know what happened, how it makes you feel, and then you're going to go to the last one, which is earthquakes. Again, read through it all, click through the slides. Then at the very end, you're going to go to case studies, pick one, briefly describe it, look at some of the pictures, and then let me know what you feel. Once you've done all of that, you can go ahead and submit to Google Classroom. This web quest is going to prepare you for a project that you are going to have. You have to do this web quest in order to do the project. If you do not turn in this assignment, I will not accept your project. Now, I know this is a lot of work and it's kind of daunting. So I am going to give you the rest of the week through Sunday to finish this. So in total, you're going to have 3 school days and the weekend to get all of this done. If you have any questions about what is expected of you, or you're having any sort of technical difficulties, please feel free to reach out to me and I will get back to you as soon as possible. All right, that's it, everyone. Good luck.